You call a Krupon.
Yeah.
Hotel a Koda.
Yeah.
Machines here, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, room.
Yeah.
Now a long corridor.
It's from
room to well left. Nani a then be any tune from hey. Nani I mean the more do them twitch now.
Because what
attribute.
Yes, you. Ready to go. Yes, sir, Doctor. For only Papa Kwan Cromo and the Pie Dominic Sieboa. Only to Kwabena,
sir. Okay.
What to tap? What? Hey, yes, sir, I was a Mandaroma. Yeah, bread. I've already became myself. Yeah, bread, pa. It's a doctor for me, and we drove from Mandaroma. Yes, Seremwana. Yeah, how about 2 minutes when I draw day? And Chromo Association of Ghana. Madarama, a pressure group. Yeah,
there's an association. A pressure group. It's a motor.
You know, Machobia, and I draw that.
My French and some free, or see a dear Yokosia Kufu, or Tossimiansa. Okay, okay,
okay,
and Famrel. And I do my for you now.
Well organized Ujra.
Yeah.
Well organized.
Now Ujrano na men shut down could be sad. It's big, eh?
Very big. Very big.
Yes,
very big. It's very big. It's not a joke. In fact,
wow.
And I can say we crano COVID never to a more JJ movies, but we crano they've come back big.
Really, I mean the organization
they've come back
super
really big.
And it be we are monochrome.
Yes. So we are not so model.
It be we are monochrome.
How much man Nantia for the next town? Nantia transfer for the next town.
Now
Nemusa. Una Mosumika and then you make a case now Nemuna.
Next time, invite you.
Yeah, so to suffer me. Also to suffer me. No, and I am
for say Wago. Wabako Cranty, Sunday May, Wapa. Sabi, Omanhene Kwabena Asante. One Andy Dusty. And they would in the birthday.
Wow.
And Andy. And 65 years. Andy Dusty.
Now, me say,
Eddie, 65.
Airlines, or more a representative one. Hassan. Ethiopia Airlines, or more representative one. Hey.
Then who are working?
Aisha Juan.
Aisha Juan no two gala or say you Aisha Juan bra. Now then why need to Juan pay?
Ethiopia yes and go Ethiopia na bra.
Girl you just go be papa.
Oh chef like Ethiopia.
Yeah,
wow. And your mammy, you Yachia,
Mambokra, me home to Batias.
Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. What can I say? What carry I want?
Well, and you know, Yatna Siena pay na me name is one police presence our crime in other regions, no. And they offer in crime on tissue baby a police for enum ensia
no mujina
baby moto soon in the musa. Yeah, but that police administration has just the presence alone. Reasonably it will scare potential evildoers, they think yeah, the almost pass or multi post for no ego comes out. But here what a bontino my band say, you best post for no. Omo amongst other reasons, they say, be watchful, be pay attention to detail. But do na no, omo titi bench so no mukuto mu phone omo so. Do na no omo titi bench so, ana omo kro omo phone, ana omo hwe so.
Na checkpoint bi wo me kwan no so a obeduru ho no. Bia mema me no ba baako apolice for no more duty. Miensa ni nyina omo ti bench no so kwan ni nche ho ba bi. Omo park omo car no omo hwe so say ye twam koba ni say ye twam koba.
Yeah, that a police administration as led by IGP, you know, Dampare, ably supported by the lieutenants, Kofi Boachi, COP, and Yohonu, COP, and all the COPs, DCOPs, ACP, all the titles to the last person. By best post for vigilance. It's important because supposedly Ujina baby I will buy now shadia. Now I could now phone now 247.
But in the best
you need to be pay attention to the entire war. Yes, Madam, oppose for your presence in Accra. In other regions is so beautiful, so encouraging, and so good. But the details here, Juma mo Madaroma, Monwe Nasa Jumano, Enkoyi and Famae. Mo presence, just the presence, is 40% good. But another 40 abekana, 50 abekana, bra. Mo ye the system mo ye wo ya kwanzo. Yankasa mo kujiji na wana mo tantara. Na mo hwehwe mo phones mo sees of course. TSM with the dika they toss be. It's worrying the way we pretend to be solving the problem of illegal mining. It's worrying, and I don't know how Ghana for ya dada ye dada ye say ye to an amount to solve the problem of Galamsey. Ya sooner ye to Galamsey So I don't know again. This morning I'm frustrated because all of us we are pretending that we are solving the problem.
There's a government or no feel say or Galamsey no. Na ye wo hini bi nso te se nia ekoso
no munja elubo hini omodia munja no nanti elubo hini ne gwane ohini a anase nipa na we sebi na we are hini we sebi we your hini akochi na so why bibia we know the people that are doing illegal mining. It is a crocodile John Semino. Is a jai before elubo. It's a near Sasibia or Ghana illegal miners. Young Ghana for forget about the minister and the deputy and the president. Young Ghana for the CPC Buakono. It's we are pretending to be solving the problem.
It's a collective.
It's a collective from day one. It's a collective responsibility because soldier for the post for no. You don't go forest where. No forest, so they can't be everywhere. They can't be everywhere. We need to complement their efforts. That's why I make us say, we are not fighting it, rather we are destroying it. But NJB insurance seven be a problem for us as a country.
Yeah.
Say Ghana water for shall say kasa enche ye be krensu ye dia no can say Ghana sir because we don't solve it. It's a problem we are, then we start apportioning blame. Blame is not a solution to the problem. From now, ye nim omu to galam say illegal mine. We know them. Why we pretend that we don't know them? Why? Why are we pretending? It's until we get to that point where we create part of our daily life. We are solving the problems of this country. It'll be difficult. Very, very difficult. It's rational. Before the Lubo matter, bigger illegal mining issues were on. They be under question China for China for 120, China for 160, and so what? Ghana for China for. Let's stop the pretense and deal with the real issues. Equity or Galamsey and ensure from the media. Let's not look at the minister and his deputies as the only solution to our illegal mining issue. Let's not. Because every attempt by a Ghanaian to make sure that Ghana will be right, they be a young Kasia Kutia. Timisel, and I'm getting so worried. I'll never be disappointed. I'm getting so worried that you look on helplessly. Whereas we can stop it. Emma Galamsey, so. Yadia Hodo, I de ba illegal mining. Yadia Hodo, I de bring pedia, a de break crew, a de bro mine. Ensure home sema a de brain. We cannot sacrifice Ghana for a few people. Omo person omo faculty kwanso edinyesika at the expense of the bigger picture.
Yeah.
Timibesia na ma chia kumasa sante kotokofo nyina penalty the most house for kasa.
Forget it house.
Omo nimfra anko mu gina se
forget house for Kwabena
na mo kra mo jese kra
forget house for and house in Olympics one more bomb match na Olympics for bus here na house for one more dey so esinche na am friend bus
na we bus one friend here ya
na so sinchen
and the dusty kwesi kwesi official pa ye sha se nyane at least o me be 12 years at 66 there wako kakra at 65 and the dusty at 65
when you papa
oh nyepa onyame fa bi nka no 65 they say nyinyi bia
but when you see
bebre
Kwabena okura me no ye pe enti I mean what are you talking about Kwabena me no ye pe enti bibi ni aya to boase Omanhene Kwabena Asante please
onam mframemu
ori yenejuma Yesu Kristo ori yenejuma